Hello, good afternoon, trader. Welcome back to Forex Black Box. Today is the 2nd of July 2020. Quick video. Sorry, guys, it's been a busy day. Look at the S&P 500 now. Quick analysis of today trades. Look at that S&P 500 now topping up at this level. Basically, we broke down, come back up, and give you another leg down, and coming back up here. I think that's going to break high a little bit. Then probably going to see a drop from there. Non-farm payroll was today. Tomorrow is Friday, so probably going to have another week day tomorrow. So look out for a failure around this level. Today probably going to be around here. We're not going to leave this level, this range. We're still inside this range, 2 days range, and we stayed so much time inside there. We're coming back up now to give it one more test. We dropped as soon as we arrived to this level. Not much of drops, but looks like there's a lot of supplies for this level here, around this level, yeah. So just keep in mind that tomorrow's Friday, today's NFP news was out. So just uh, don't trade big until tomorrow. Okay. Right. Looking at gold, you see gold open with a gap down on here. It's not really a gap. I didn't really look at gold today. Let's look on hourly. Come back down, come back up. Gold anyway, guys. Gold is a buy. Gold is a buy. Even S&P 500 going up. You see gold is going up as well. So that's very interesting to see. And 20 moving average is your play to go up from, but it looks like we have high here, high lows, high. We're climbing back up. We broke here. If let me put back everything, we retest this level again. If you look here, we retest this level once, come back up twice, come back up again, maybe in a small one leg here before we continue back up. So expectation tomorrow probably come retest the breakout of this trend line. We retested once, we tried to get inside, we didn't really stayed long there. We'll come back up again, and we'll come back probably tomorrow. We'll continue back up for more momentum up. I'm looking for $1,800 to be hit. From there, we'll see some resistance or a pullback or profit taken. It depends what it is. Bitcoin, as you can see, that will below the 20 moving average. You see that 20 moving average playing very big role here. We see that we touch it once, twice, and we break the previous day low, and I believe we're gonna go to the bottom of this channel with an angle. So probably around this 8,000 and a half or 8,400, probably and a half, a little bit higher. Let's see whether or not we have a successful breakout below this channel or not by tomorrow. Oil, you see that three tops, one, two. I'm looking for a head and shoulder pattern. I think it will complete. Yesterday it was indecision candle. Today we're still inside candle, so we're really nowhere. So probably 20 moving average will be tested, break below it, retest, and continuation down. It give you a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, I did not trade it today myself, but looks like there's no decision really. It's just coming back up. We're still inside this two candle inside candle here, two candles. If you do 2 days candlestick, we'll see that we're still inside. We'll probably will retest the 20 moving average one more time. If it becomes successful breakout, we'll continue down. If it become a failure, come back up. That will be your trade. Your 20 moving average is your starting point, either side downside or up momentum. Okay. Look at dollar index now. See that bounced from this level. Does give us 1, 2, 3. I believe that was going to go back up again to this level here. That will give us euro dollar to go down. I did trade euro dollar today. I shorted around this level multiple times. So if I go back to 1 hour, you'll see what I mean here. Basically, I shorted here and I exit here around near the 20 moving average, the second leg, I believe. Then after that, I went all the way up. I shorted from there. It was too high, new high. I shorted. I just exit around this level. Come back up again. Give me a heads up. Look, two candles pattern coming back up. I start losing momentum. I shorted here and I exit 20 moving average. And I come back up again on the blue line around this level. I shorted again, but this time I exit around here. I exit too early, but I'm still waiting for it. Look, 4 hours. I have an order here. Actually 1 hour. If I go back to 1 hour, I have one order here not filled yet, so I think this will come back up. We will meet the 20 moving average. Then I will be taking one more leg down. Equal move, measure move, equal measure move here. That's what I'll be targeting tonight, if it's happening or not. But that was my trade today. I didn't really trade much, just euro, dollar, and pound Aussie. I exit pound Aussie trade long, and I put another order and I actually get filled. I will show you later on. Dollar, sorry, cable. Look, momentum up, bull back, 20 moving average supported, and 20 moving average on day 4 hours. Coming back up strong, 1, 2, 3. Exhausted move, coming back, probably retest the 20 moving average, and we'll continue back up one more leg. That's my opinion. I think it's going to continue back up. If we look on the daily, there's a second. Look on the daily. Oh, come on. Look on the daily here. A nice resistance level, but that could be just a pullback and continuation back up. We'll have a nice momentum up. Probably going to see retracement, and we'll continue one more leg up. So today could be the retracement. Tomorrow we're going to pop down a little bit here around this level. Then we'll have a major move for the next week momentum up to this level again. Okay. So far what we do, 1, 2. That could be the end of it. 1, 2, 3 pushes down. That's what I was looking for. I always do that. 3 pushes down. I talked about the 22. We'll come near 22 and a half, I think. Yeah, here we go. 22. I was talking about that green line, but it doesn't need to be that one exactly. There's a one here you can trade from. There's a one here. We didn't get to it, but that's the bottom here. It depends. That's the zone. It's a zone. It's not price been written on stone. No, it's a zone. We have a been fulfill here. 1, 2, 3 legs down. I'm happy with it. We break the previous day close or opening. That's when we will take the trend back up. Now we still inside this high. We didn't really come to the 50% of yesterday momentum. That's indicating the momentum is still up. So tomorrow is going to be a new day. Probably going to pop up below the 20 moving average on daily, and we'll break through high. We're going to close high maybe at this level. Following week, probably going to see some retracement, continuation back up. The momentum looks good. We break out of this level, trend line, probably retesting it, and we'll continue back up. Let's see how they're going to play. Remember, tomorrow is Friday. Don't trade too much, okay? Down here is the same story. We have a 1, 2 W form here. If you look here, 1, 2, I'll break above it. Now we're retesting here. I'm still skeptic about it because if yen getting strong, then we will see this pair coming down or sideways, at least sideways here. If pound is strong and yen is strong, we're going to be sideways. Okay, here goes. Yesterday I was long, guys. I talked about that yesterday. I was long from here. I exit at this highs right there. This opening and closing. I exit as soon as I reach this level. I exit and went down straight away. I have an order. It's been filled already. If I look to 4 hours quickly, it's filled around this level, above the 20 moving average. So I think the next 4 hours probably will come back up here, at least to this level here. Looks interesting. So we'll come back up here and maybe we'll push down one more leg if the stock want to push higher. So keep your eye on the SPY, okay? So that's a nice area. I exit around this level here, and now I put a new order. My previous order was around here. I took my profit. Imagine if I was waiting for it to come back. 50% of my money already in profit was taken away. I just re-enter one more position here, and I'm not really scared of it. I think my stop loss is below around this level on the daily. Let me call the daily quickly. Below this level here. If it goes down, break it. That means it's going to go a little more lower. That means the stock wanted to go a little bit higher. Just trade what you see. Okay, I talked about that before. Here, this is my line here. This is the breakout I was looking for to be failure. It's been retested, and that's why I exit. And I'm longing again, just a short term. I'm not looking for a big move happen immediately, but I'm trading it and see where it can take me. If you give me only 50 pips, I'm happy with it. I'll exit and I close my book for the day. But so far it has been filled for tomorrow. So that's my trade of tonight is filled already for tomorrow trade. Okay. Bound New Zealand as well. You see that New Zealand is a bit strong. That's why I was not really convinced to long it. Look, I come back override yesterday and it's going back to the bottoms again to retest this trend line. But it's going to go below it and come back and give you that momentum up. That's what I'm looking for. a spike down, coming back up. We have one touch, two. Probably this one's going to break below it and come back very quickly, a strong momentum up. That's the one I was looking for as well here. A nice 2 days candles, and the third one topped up 3 candles high. Give me the V formation. What I will be looking for, a small one, cup and handle. Yeah, is what's happening here now. Let's see if that's gonna break out through or not. 20 moving average will be my target if it go quickly. If it goes slow, I'll be targeting the previous day high for tomorrow. I mean, okay. Bound CAD, see that popped up, break the previous 5 days highs and push back down below the 20 moving average. There could be only pullback altogether on the low time frame if you go to 4 hours, 1 hour, double bottom, come back right there and will break the previous swing. That's your trade. Come back down, come back up, break it. That's your entry. Above the 2 moving average, you're still in, but it didn't give you that momentum back up. It starts going down, retest, coming back down, probably around this level here. Here we go. Is reacting here. Let's see whether it's going to hold for the next day momentum back up. So I have one push, a second. I'm looking for a short-term retracement. Continue back up. This momentum move is going to be equal to this move. Okay. Right. So the next one is that's it, guys. I think this is it. Sorry for today. I've been a bit late. Been busy. Have a family matter to look after, and also trading. So I didn't have any time to do early video. Thanks, guys, very much for being here. Please subscribe and like and leave a comment. And thanks for everyone subscribe to the channel. Keep the community growing to help others need how to trade and intradays. I'm talking general daily trade. I don't talk exact momentum of the trade, but as long as you know the technique, where to enter, where to exit, what the daily look like, what the hourly and 4 hour look like, I'm sure you will come up with a strategy and you should backtest in it. And if it suits you, use it. If it doesn't, look for the one that suits you. Okay, guys, thanks very much. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.